How to change Google Play Store country with full guide. Make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. As always, let's start from the beginning. First, open the Play Store app. Once in the Play Store, go to your profile in the top right corner. In your profile, select Payments and Subscriptions. Inside Payments and Subscriptions, go to the Payment Methods option. In Payment Methods, press on the 3 lines in the top left corner. A menu will open. Select Settings from there. In Settings, you'll find the Country and Region option. But wait, there are still many steps left, so don't make the mistake of skipping the video. Next to Country and Region, you'll see a pencil icon. Press on it. On the Country and Region page, select Create a New Profile and press on it. On the Create a New Profile page, press the Continue button. Now on this page, click on Choose a Country or Region and select your desired country. After selecting the country, press Continue. This section will show your personal details linked to your Google account, including your name, address, and contact information. Fill them in correctly. Once everything is filled in, your Google Play Store country will be changed successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.